So I want to do a quick tech tip on how to restore old Whitewall tires. So these Whitewall tires are probably 15 years old, and as you can see, Whitewall turned yellow. Now, not a lot of people have this problem because not many people really use Whitewalls on cars anymore, just on old cars. But if you notice, the tires are 15 years old, but there's really not a whole lot of wear on them. So it would be a shame to throw these tires away just because of the Whitewall. So this is one that I already did. It's not perfect, but it certainly came out a lot better. So today I just wanted to show you how to make an old tire look like a brand new tire. Now, just a heads up, I don't know if I would use this trick on a tire that's, say, a couple years old and starts turning brown or getting dirty. I'm not sure how many times this works. I'm sure it is safe, but I just used it on an old tire over there that was kind of like a last ditch because we were getting ready to throw those tires away anyways, because we had my dad's wheels and tires on that whenever it was at the body shop, and these are the wheels for the 63. We just didn't want to get the new tires and knockoffs all dirty from whenever that was being painted. So this should also work on raised white letter tires. It's like the same kind of concept. But the reason why the white walls start to turn brown, one is just because it's dirty outside and on the road, but two, whenever the air molecules come through the tire, they start to turn the white wall brown. So one way you can avoid that is by putting a different type of gas in your tire instead of just air. We didn't do that, obviously, but I'll walk through the steps of what I did. So all you really need to do this fix is an SOS pad, a rag, and a bucket. But all my buckets are in use right now, so I'm going to use this little parts bin. Really don't need a whole lot of water, but it should do fine. Alright, this is really simple. Literally all you have to do is just wash off the white wall with the SOS pad. And if you really want to, you can do the whole tire, or the whole side of the tire, and that way it makes the whole thing look nice and clean. And there you are, just in a couple seconds, it's already pretty much good as new. That's just a small section. Now I'm going to do the rest of the tire and the other three. Let's do a quick comparison to see what the car looks like before and after. So you can see, looks pretty sharp, kind of looks like a race car without the hubcaps on. And on this side, it has a little more yellow and dirty. I think the front ones are worse. Yeah, that one's a lot worse. It almost looks like a gold line tire. It looks a little worse in person than it does on camera. So I'm going to do this side next. Yes, you can definitely tell when it's up close the difference. That's going to do it for this video. Just a quick little how-to or tutorial about how to clean white walls. Most of you probably already know how to, but this is just a way that's at home. You probably have it under your some SOS pads under your sink at home, so you can do this pretty easily. And it didn't cost me a dime. Like I said, I already had it. Just use some paper towels, a little bit of water, and you're good to go. And they're good as new. Like I said, once again, I went and used them on brand new tires because I'm not sure if it affects the life of the white wall, but these ones were pretty much ready to be thrown away, so we got some more life out of those tires. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and check out some of the following videos I have around, and thanks for watching.